Hey guys, Huggy here with KEMIMOTO. Just a short video for you. I'm going to do a comparison with the 2015 Dyna Y Glide. It's got the Vance Hines slip-on muffler, so I'm going to do a couple videos with the baffle in and then a couple videos without it. Not a how-to, just a short video. So check it out if you got this same bike. You're curious what that sounds like with those exhausts on there. This is the video for you. I'm going to keep getting this content out to you, so smash that like, hit that subscribe, and get those notifications. And if there's anything else you want to see, go ahead and hit it in the comments below and I'll check that out and respond to you. In the descriptions you'll see the parts that are on all my bikes, including this Dyna. So if you want to get those links for that exact fit, those are in the comments below. Alright, again, Huggy with KEMIMOTO. Let's get this sound going for you. Finished up the comparison videos for the baffles. As you can see, I liked it. It wasn't as loud as I thought it was going to be, but it's a much better sound, and that's kind of what I was looking for. So I was a little nervous about it being too loud. I've had a Fat Boy before without the baffles, and it was just too much when I went for long rides. So I know it wasn't a how-to video, but I got the tools out here. Just wanted to show you it was pretty simple. All I needed was a 4mm Allen wrench, flathead screwdriver, 5/8 inch socket, and it came off literally 5 minutes. I thought they were going to be stuck, but they weren't. So easy job if you think about tackling it. Check out some other how-to videos for all the details. I'll list the parts that the tools that I used here. Again, it was just Vance Hines slip-ons. Taking out the baffles. Let me know what you think below. If you've done this before or you're thinking about doing it, let me know what you think. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that follow, and I'll keep them coming out to you. Thanks.